this is the Tecnoform stand at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf 2018, and this is my friend David. And David, this is one of your new vehicles. It's the Wellhouse R46. VR46, sorry, and it's based on the Transit.
Yeah, Ford Terrier.
Ford Terrier. And so, what gave the idea of building this vehicle?
Well, we've been building the Ford Terrier now for 4 years, and we've done some special editions, and one of these is the MSRT, which is a motorsport rally team edition with all the body kit. But we also have done a couple of VR46s, which is for Valentino Rossi, for those that don't know. And we were approached by Tecnoform, who asked if we could do a really special conversion for their stand for the show, for them to use as a demonstration vehicle to show what they can do in terms of the furniture. So this one, as you can see, is a left-hand drive. It's a 170 PS model. It's automatic. It has sat-nav. It's based on the latest Ford, what we call MCA model, so it's the very latest one with the new front end and the new style dash. And what we've done then is the Tecnoform, who supply us with the kit. This is like a special brushed steel effect, which is I will say at the price that it's cost them to produce, it's probably a one-off, because this is 3 times the price of the normal style of conversion, the finish that we use. The seats are all special, alcantara and leather, all done basically by hand, by our upholsterer. And then up in the roof, everything, most of it is all alcantara lined, and then we have what we call the twinkle lights. So all the lights that you can see at the top, that also comes with a remote control, so you can have them on permanently, or you can press a button and they basically twinkle like stars. So if you like looking at the stars and you just want to lay in bed and you don't want to look through the window, you've got the perfect night sky there.
That looks really good. That's excellent. But so Tecnoform won't be doing this in any other vehicles?
No, I mean this conversion is only for the Ford Terrier. It is something that we already do in left-hand drive as well. We're just in the process of appointing dealers in Germany. We've already got dealers in Switzerland as well as a full UK network. So they'll probably release this furniture, but at the price that it's going to cost. I mean, this particular vehicle, if we did sell it over here, will be just approaching 70,000 euros. So it's quite a lot of money. That said, we've had quite a lot of, not just Germans, but I mean people come to this show from all over the world. But we had a guy on yesterday, a German guy, and he thought it was quite cheap, because like he pointed out, a certain other large well-known German manufacturer in the next hall has campers on there that's just in standard form are 75,000 euros, and that's just for a standard van. A nice van, but still a standard van. So when he said, you know, this is just under 70,000 euros and what you get for that, he was quite impressed. So when you get Germans coming up and telling you that you're doing a good job and they prefer it to their own, then that's quite good.
That's great. So might be seeing some more of them in the future.
Oh, you'll definitely be seeing some more of them. Yeah, definitely.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.